Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, building a treasury management decentralized application, or DApp, powered by a decentralized autonomous organization, known as a DAO. We'll deploy this smart contract on the Conflux eSpace testnet and walk through every step, from compiling the code to testing key features like creating clubs, contributing funds, proposing actions, voting, and executing proposals. Whether you're new to blockchain or a seasoned developer, stick around, this is going to be fun. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the smart contract for our treasury management DApp. This contract allows users to create clubs, contribute testnet CFX, submit proposals, vote on them, and execute or close proposals based on the voting outcome. It's packed with features to manage funds democratically, and we'll explore them all today. To begin, I've already written the smart contract, so let's compile it. Pause to show compilation in the code editor. Great, the compilation was successful. Now, let's deploy it to the Conflux eSpace testnet. I've got MetaMask connected to the testnet, so let's select the contract file, confirm the transaction, and there we go. Our smart contract is deployed. You can see the transaction is confirmed on the network. With the contract live, let's test its core functionality. First up, we'll create a club. I'll name it Test and assign a random content ID, or CID. For now, let's use CFX as a placeholder, which will later integrate with the front end. Show the Create Club function. I'll confirm the transaction, and done. The club is created. To verify, let's check the club details. Show the Read function. Awesome, there it is, our club named Test with its ID and CID. Next, let's contribute to this club. I'll select Club ID 1 and contribute one testnet CFX. Show the Contribute function. After confirming the transaction, the contribution is successful. Let's verify the contribution amount. Yep, it shows one testnet CFX, exactly as expected. Now, let's create a proposal for Club ID 1. I'll request the full amount, set the destination to the owner's address, add a description like testing proposal, and use another random CID. Show the proposal creation. I'll confirm the transaction, and the proposal is created with proposal ID 1. Let's check the details to confirm. There's our proposal with the description and all the data. Before voting, we need to ensure voting is still active, as our contract allows voting for 5 minutes after proposal creation. Check voting status. Good, voting is still on, so let's vote yes by entering 1 for this proposal. Show the Vote function. Transaction confirmed, our vote is in. After voting, we have 2 options: execute the proposal if it has enough yes votes or close it if it fails. Since voting is still active, let's wait a few minutes for the voting period to end. Short pause or time lapse. Welcome back. Let's check if voting is still active. Show the status. It's false, meaning the voting period is over. Now we can execute the proposal since our yes vote passed. I'll pass the parameters, hit the transaction button, and done. The amount is sent internally to the receiver's address. This DApp has even more features to explore. For example, we can view all proposals for a club. Here's our one proposal for Club ID 1. We can also check if a user has voted by entering their address, club ID, and proposal ID. Yep, it's true, I voted. Another cool feature is checking if the club is full. Our contract limits clubs to 100 members, and since this club isn't full, it returns true. We can also verify if the club exists, and sure enough, it does. Finally, let's confirm the funds were sent to the receiver's address by checking the smart contract's transactions. Everything looks good. That's a wrap for today's demo. We've successfully deployed and tested our treasury management DApp on the Conflux eSpace testnet, covering club creation, contributions, proposals, voting, and execution. Next time, I'll build a front end to make this DApp even more user-friendly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more blockchain content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.